أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم.
Peace be to Allah, Lord of the world, and peace and blessing be upon our Master Muhammad, the faithful and the honest, and upon his noble companions. Dear noble brother, one day after the lesson was over, I met the young man who said to me, I'm a fabric engineer and I graduated from Romania. I work in big factory in Damascus and I have seizure while I am driving, which is very dangerous, while I'm in bus, while I'm walking on the street, while I'm working on my office, or while I am in home. This happened to me during the day or many times during the week, such as 3 times or even 5 times. I'm on the verge of the collapse. Why am I like this? I know that such a disease affected the nervous system and it is incurable, but the young man want to know why he had been affected with such a disease. In other words, he need the answer to this question, why does Allah do this to me? I invite him to my house and explain to him referring the following ayah. Why should Allah punish you if you have thanked him and have believed in him? He listened to me attentively and then he asked, what does this mean? I say, it is the 1,000 times impossible that Allah the Almighty cause something unbearable to his servant as long as he is steadfast and he acts upon his order. The proof is this ayah. Why should Allah punish you if you have thanked him and have believed in him? Upon listening to my word, he was very attentive. So he got a piece of paper from his pocket and he started to write down that what I was saying. After that he said, tell me what I should do, please. I said that he had to perform prayer at the proper time, lower his gaze, stop listening to forbidden things, and so on. I mentioned about 40 things and he wrote them down all because his disease was very painful and destructive and he just want to be cured from it. By Allah, after the left, I was worried and I said to myself, what if says this is incurable? I promised him that if he start to act upon Allah's order, he would recover from it. On Friday, I had a lesson, so the young man came to me and said, praise be to Allah, this is the first week in my life that I spent without having any epileptic seizure. By Allah, upon hearing that, I felt as I owned the whole worldly life. I said to him, I hope you recover from it. 1 week later, he came to me and said, I have no seizure this week also. I remember that he came to me for consecutive Friday repeating the same sentence, and I was on cloud nine upon knowing that. What I said to him, supported by Allah's word. So Allah, exalted and sublime be He, relieved him from any seizure. However, on the 6th week, he didn't show up. So I was worried about him, thinking that he may have a seizure. On the 7th Friday, he came to me and said, what exactly I expected. Don't be worried about your word. I committed a sin last week. So Allah the Almighty punished me with a seizure while I was on way. The word believer means that Allah's promise to him will be fulfilled and that his action make him deserve the fulfillment of this promise. Hence, if Allah the Almighty promise you to make you live good life, to have abundant sustenance, to be secure, to have tranquility, and to have wisdom, then this promise will be definitely fulfilled. Because terminating to the whole universe is easier to Allah than breaking them. Yet, if they are not fulfilled, we should blame ourselves, because Allah the Almighty never punishes arbitrarily. The ayah is clear. Why should Allah punish you if you have thanked Him and have believed in Him? And Allah is ever all appreciative of God, all knowing.